All right, we're going to do a little bit more practice with compare bars. I've got a few word problems here we're going to work out together. All right, let's read this together. Itzel has 10 peanuts. Ryan has 4. How many more peanuts does Itzel have than Ryan?
Did somebody say peanuts? I like peanuts.
Oh, hi. Where did you come from?
I don't know. But I heard the word peanuts. Did you say peanuts?
Yeah, we're doing a word problem here, and it has peanuts in the word problem, that's all.
Oh, okay.
So, we're going to do the word problem, okay?
Okay.
Are you just going to stand there?
Uh-huh.
All right. Okay, here we go. So, Itzel has 10, and it says Ryan has 4.
Yeah? What's Itzel gonna do with 10 peanuts? What's Ryan gonna do with 4 peanuts? Hey, Itzel and Ryan, can you give me your 10 peanuts and your 4 peanuts, and then I'll have, I don't know, some more peanuts? They're my peanuts. You took them. I want them.
Okay. Well, we gotta do this math problem. You're kind of distracting us from this math problem.
Okay, I'll be quiet.
All right. So we know that Itzel has 10 and Ryan has 4. So we know that Itzel has more because 10 is more than 4. So we're going to put an I for Itzel right here. And then we're going to put a
Or!
Yes, you're right. Peanut, you're picking up already.
I'm smart. I'm a smart peanut.
And then we're going to go over here. So Itzel says we have 10. And then Ryan, it says we have 4. Okay. And now we want to do a compare peanut.
Compare? Why?
Because we're going to figure out how many more peanuts Ryan would need so that he's kind of fair with Itzel. Because I think that he's probably wishing he had as many as Itzel did.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's figure it out.
Okay, we'll figure it out. So remember that these compare bars are a lot like when we're doing our math mountains. So these would be the partners, and these would be our altogether. So what would 4's partner be to make 10? So right here, this is what we're trying to figure out. This is our unknown.
I think it's 6.
Yes, you're right. It's 6.
Huh, I'm smart.
All right, so 6 is the unknown, and so 6 is our answer. 6 what, though? 6 what? Right, it is going to be more peanuts, okay? We have to have both the words, more peanuts.
I get more peanuts?
No, we're just telling the comparison there.
Oh, okay.
Why are you still here?
I'm waiting for my peanuts.
I don't have any peanuts. This is just a word problem.
Why didn't you tell me that? I would have stayed around here. I'm going to go find some peanuts.
All right, weird guy. All right, let's move on to this next one here. Maybe we'll have a little bit more luck. Okay. Ivan has 8 balloons. Cody has 5 more balloons than Ivan. How many balloons does Cody have? Let's see.
I can't help you with that. I love balloons, except I have a big problem with balloons.
Yeah, what's your problem with balloons?
I pop them all the time.
Well, why would you do that? Why would you pop them all the time?
It's not my fault.
Really? Well, how does it happen?
You see all these spiky things all over my body?
Yeah?
Yeah, that's why.
Oh, okay. I guess they have to make balloons a little different for you, huh?
Yeah. Oh, well. Let's do this problem. Okay, so I'm a smart dragon, and I know, let's see, that it says Cody has 5 more balloons. So I know Cody has more, so I'm going to put Cody right there.
Okay, put Cody right there.
Yeah, and then if Cody is there, then Ivan goes there.
Okay.
Yeah. And up here it says Ivan has 8 balloons. So we know how many Ivan has. Hi, Ivan. Okay, Ivan has 8 balloons. Yeah. And then Cody, yeah, he got more, but we don't know how many he has, but we do know he has 5 more. So that's going to go like there.
Okay. And then what else?
Yeah. So then it's like, you put these two together, and then you'd find out how much Cody has, because you have how many Ivan has and how many more Ivan would need, so it's fair, and that's how many Cody would have. So you put 8 and 5 together to figure out Cody, how many Cody has.
Okay, so what's 5 and 8 together?
Well, see, I know fast math. So if I take 2 away from the 5 and give it to the 8, that's going to be 10. And then the 5's only going to have 3 left. So it makes it 10 and 3. And 10 and 3 is 13.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right, but we still need our label.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so put 13 right there.
Okay. So 13, Cody has 13 what?
Now it just says balloons. We just put balloons.
All right, good job. Balloons. O-O-N-S. 13 balloons.
Wow, lucky number 13. Just kidding, that's not really a lucky number. Well, good luck with that number of balloons, Cody. Don't invite me to your party. I'll probably pop them all.
All right. Okay, so let's look at another one. Oh, and again, this one was our unknown number, right? So we should have marked that. Okay, let's do another problem here. Okay. Pull this down, center it up. All right. It says Luca worked 12 hours this week. Juliana worked 3 fewer hours than Luca. How many hours did Juliana work?
What's going on, Juliana? Are you lazy or something? Luca worked more hours.
No, Flash, that's not what this is about. Be nice.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Juliana. You're still my friend. Are you still my friend? Okay, that's good. Okay, so, yeah, I know all about working because I work all the time. All the time. Okay, so, Luca worked 12 hours, and it says she worked fewer hours. So I know that Luca, he worked more hours. So we're going to put Luca on top.
All right. An L for Luca.
Yep. Okay. And then Juliana, she probably was on vacation or something. I don't know why she worked 3 fewer hours. But she worked fewer hours, so we're going to put Juliana there.
Okay. There we go.
All right. And then, okay. And then, yeah. And then, so like, Luca, he had 12 hours, so that's going to go right there.
Okay. So do I put the 3 right here with Juliana?
No! That's fewer hours. That's your compare number. So you got to put it there.
I'm like, oh, got it. That's my compare number.
Yeah. So now we're going to put an unknown number box right there. Yeah. Okay. And then now we got to figure out, like, what the partner is to 3 to make 12. So we got to figure out how many more does 3 need to make 12. So I got to do fast math. So I know it's like saying 3 plus some number, okay, is going to equal 12. Yeah. And so if I go from 3 to 10, that's 7. And then from 10 to 12, that's 2. And 7 and 2 is 9. Yeah, 9. Yeah, okay. And then, 9 hours. 9. Juliana worked 9 hours.
You know what? I have to tell you something, though, Flash. I know why she only worked 9 hours.
Yeah, why is that?
She was working in the other 3 hours. She was actually making you a present.
What? Oh, I'm so sorry. Thanks, Juliana, for making me a present. What is it? You have no idea? You didn't even know this was happening on the video? Oh, okay. Are you going to make me a present now? All right, I'll come get it.
Oh, Juliana, better be quick. He's coming for that present, I think. Sorry about that. I may have not told a complete truth to him, huh? Okay, so we have 9, and what is that? 9 what? 9 hours. Good, hours. Awesome. Okay, so we did a couple extras on our own. You're going to go ahead and get out your practice book page, page 189. It will look like this. Go ahead and get it out. And we're going to do the 3 on the front together, and you are going to finish the back of this page on your own, okay? All right. Go ahead and push pause on the video if you need time to get it out. Push play when you are ready to go. 189. All right, here we go. All right, Corey's cat has 11 kittens. Ava's cat has 3 kittens. How many fewer kittens does Ava's cat have than Corey's? So remember, we're first going to make our compare bars. Okay, so go ahead and draw a long rectangle and draw a short halfway one. And go ahead and draw your oval. And you're going to make your little lines so that you have your letters to represent the people. Okay? All right. Now we're going to... Yes?
Hi.
Can I help you?
Maybe?
What is it that you need?
I can't remember. I have short-term memory loss.
Oh, well, we're doing some problems in math right now. Would you like to help us?
Oh, yeah, that sounds nice. That sounds nice.
Okay, so we're doing this problem here, and it says Corey's cat has 11 kittens, and Ava's cat has 3 kittens. So can you tell us who has more?
Yeah. I forget which one's more. Kids, can you help me? Which one's more? 11 or 3? Okay, they said 11.
Oh, you're right. 11 is more, so that would be Corey. So we're going to put Corey on the top. Okay? All right, and then we have Ava's cat had 3, so we're going to put an E for Ava down here. Okay, for Eva. And then for Corey, we're going to put an 11 here at the top. And it says that Eva had 3. All right, there we go. So we're missing our compare number.
Where did it go? Do you want me to find it? I'm good at finding it. I can find it. I can find it. I can find it.
Well, we're going to work together to find it together.
Oh, okay.
All right, so we need to know what is 3's partner to go to make 11. So what would 3's partner be to 11? So we can count on. You want to count on with us, Dory?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
All right, so we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That would be 8. Okay, so 8. We're going to put right there. And then over here, we're going to put 8. And what is our label going to be?
What's it going to be? Tell me. Okay, thanks. They say it's going to be fewer kittens.
Yeah, fewer kittens. Good job. So we're going to put fewer kittens. You guys go ahead and copy with me.
Oh, kittens sound nice. I think I want to have a kitten.
I don't think you want to have a kitten.
Why? They sound nice. They have like a lot of kittens. Corey's got like 11, and Ava has 3. If they have that many kittens, they must be great for pets, right? I want some kittens.
No, I'm telling you, Dory, for you, it's a bad idea.
I don't think so. Why?
Well, here, Dory, I'm going to tell you a little secret here. Get a little closer. Yeah, see, Dory, cats eat fish.
I don't want a cat. 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 I don't want a cat.
No, it's okay. This is just a word problem anyway.
Oh, okay.
All right. Why don't you go ahead and go do what you were supposed to be doing before?
What was that?
I don't know. You just came in swimming.
Oh, well, maybe I'll go do that. Okay, goodbye.
All right. Next one. There were 3 bicycles here yesterday. There are 7 more bicycles here today. How many bicycles are here today? So let's start. Let's make our compare boxes. We have our long one, our short one, and our compare oval. Let's put our places for our people. Okay. All right. So we're talking about bicycles. Yeah. Hi, Slobber. How's it going? Oh, you like chasing bicycles? Oh, that's not very nice to let them fall off of their bicycles when you chase them.
Aww.
Okay, but you're going to still help us with this problem, right? Okay, so it says there were 3 bicycles here yesterday, and then there's 7 more bicycles here today. So which one, we're using yesterday and we're using today. So which one has more? Is it yesterday or today? You're right. So it says there are 7 more here today. There are more today. So the word today, we're going to use the T for today. and that's the one that has more. And we're going to use a Y for yesterday. That's the other one. Okay. And which one of those do we have the number? Which one do we know, Slobber?
Oh, yeah.
Yep, yesterday. It says there were 3 here yesterday. So we know that it's exactly 3. And then what comes next? Yes, you're right. There's 7 more. And what do we call that? You're right. That's your compare number. So we're going to put 7 over here. 7 more. So what are we asking about? Yeah, we're going to figure out how many there are there today so that you can figure out how many bicycles you're going to be chasing, huh? Yes, you're right. Okay, what is 7 and 3? If you put them together, what would they make? Yes, you're right, 10. Good job. We're going to put 10 right here. Okay, so there are 10 bicycles today. It says how many are here today. How many bicycles? How many? There are 10 what? 10 bicycles. Oh, you really like it when someone falls over and drops their lunch and you get to eat it all? Slobber, be nice. Oh, that funny dog. All right, let's look at this last one we've got here. It says Ms. Perez has 15 horses. Mr. Drew has 9 horses. How many more horses does Ms. Perez have than Mr. Drew? Okay, so for our names, since they both have Ms. and Mr., we're going to use their last names. Okay, P for Perez and D for Drew. Let's go ahead and make our compare bars. And our oval. And situate. There we go. Okay, so now we have our comparison bars all set up for ourselves. Let's go ahead and read this again.
Oh, I love this problem. It's about horses, and they're kind of like me. I'm kind of like a horse.
You are kind of like a horse.
Yes, except I'm a unicorn. I'm even better than a horse.
Okay, you would like to help us with this one?
Yes.
Okay, so it says Ms. Perez has 15 and it says Mr. Drew has 9. So first we need to figure out where they go and who has more.
Well, right there, it just says that Ms. Perez has 15 and Mr. Drew has 9. So they already tell you how many each of them have. So 15's more. And so that means Ms. Perez goes right there on the top.
Okay, so I'll put a peep for Perez right there.
Uh-huh. Okay, and then Mr. Drew, you're going to put a D right there for Mr. Drew.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And then, class, can you figure out what number is going to go right here in the P? Yes, good job, good job. It's the 15.
All right, and then what's next after that?
Okay, and then right here, Mr. Drew, he has 9. Yeah, and then, so our unknown is the compare number. This is what we want to find out. We want to find out the difference between them. So how many more does Ms. Perez have than Mr. Drew? So you have to figure out what is 9's partner to make 15. And I know that 9, if I go up to 10, that's 1. And then from 10 to 15, that's 5. And 5 and 1 is 6. So 6 is our unknown. And we could put it right there. And then we need to figure out our label, Miss Brinkman. We need to figure out our label.
Okay, what's our label?
So it says, it wants to know how many more horses. So they have 6 more horses. So you have to write both of those words. You have to write the word more, and you have to write the word horses.
Oh.
Thank you. Good job, Miss Brinkman.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, kiddos, so we had help doing all these ones. You are going to finish these last 2 on your own. Remember to do your compare bars and your ovals, watch your labels, and then do the review on the bottom.